Hello viewers, I am Rakib. In this lesson, I will show you how to replace color in Photoshop. So in this image, we want to replace the color of this baby dress. So to do that, we will use replace color command, and as it is a destructive command, so we will press Ctrl J from the keyboard to duplicate the background layer, and we will go to image, adjustments, and select replace color from here, and here we got this replace color box, and by default you can see this eyedropper is selected, and using this we have to sample the color. We will neither select this lighter part nor this darker areas, rather we will select this midpoint, and as soon as we click here you can see the selected color is in white, and we can also change this coverage of this selection by this fuzziness slider. If we move it to right, you can see the coverage of the selection is increasing, and if we move it to the left, it will decrease the coverage of this selection. So we will keep some of the surrounding part because this color has a very small effect on the surrounding. So with this color we want to change that as well. And another thing is you can see within our selected area, the white color, you can see some of the dark areas. That means it's not selected properly, so we have to hold shift from the keyboard to add another sample, and you can also do it by selecting this eyedropper from here. I will hold shift and click here to add that to our selection. So after that you can again change the fuzziness. Sometimes you may need to deselect some other part of the background, holding the Alt from the keyboard. When the eyedropper turns to the negative symbol, then you can click there and deselect that part from the selected area. Even sometimes you may get some complex image where the targeted color is very similar with some other surrounding parts. In that case, you may need to make a basic selection around the targeted color to separate it from other objects or other parts. So after the selection, we can change the hue from here, and we can change it to any available color. We will set it to purple, and we can change the saturation. And now you can see here is a shade of the previous color. So what we can do here is we can again hold shift from the keyboard and click here to this shade to add it to our selection, and now it has also changed. You can also adjust the lightness. So when it's done, we will click OK. So that's before and after. So in this way you can use the replace color command to replace any color to any different color. So as always, if you like the video, then you can share the video and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.